What is happening, guys? Thank you for tuning in to another video. Rush SRT here. Today's video, we have a little bit of an install going on, something that I wanted to do on the car, so I thought I'd show you guys exactly what it is. Now, I know there's pre-cuts for this, but I decided to just And pretty much what I did, I ordered some film on Amazon, and I'm going to go ahead and block out the markers on the front, the back, and specifically on the back bumper right here. Now, I've been waiting to do this. I think it's going to look a lot cleaner, and it's going to match the car a lot better having them black. So this film cost me a total of $5. So let's go ahead and see how easy it is to apply this on top of the side markers. And I also wanted to show you one more thing, but I want to leave that until after we get this done. So let's get right to it. Alrighty, guys, to get started, we obviously have our film here. I got a pair of scissors, pink ones of course, X-Acto knife just for cutting, and squeegee, some extra blades if I need it. So I'm going to start off with the front right here. You could pop them out, so I'm going to try to do it without taking them out of the vehicle first, but if it is a little too hard, then I'm probably going to pop them out and wrap them, or apply the film outside. So this is kind of similar to applying it to like windows, so same method obviously. So you just want to cut enough to be able to wrap these. So give yourself a generous amount to work with. So I'm gonna put that down right there, and there's our first strip. And there's a backing to this film as well that you have to remove before applying it. So I'm going to obviously do that right now. So there's that backing. I just got to carry this off a little bit. And you can just use the squeegee, get in there, just getting the air bubbles out that you see. And the nice thing about this, it's not a window, so it's going to be obviously a lot easier, but if you can peel it back if you do see some air bubbles, and try to get those out just like I'm doing here. So there's that, and next is going to be the trimming part. Obviously I'm going to try to catch this edge right here at the top, and it's smooth sailing from there. So I'm just running my nail around. So let's go ahead and just remove that top layer. There it is. So once I just remove that layer, you just go ahead and kind of just bend the film into the crevices here, and then maybe using a little bit of heat is going to work out in our favor. But other than that, it looks pretty dang good to me for a first go round. So we're just going to apply a little bit of heat to it just to make sure it adheres nice and smooth, and then I'm just going to squeegee it on just a little more. Make sure that it hangs on. Alright guys, so I'm going to give you a better view here of how it looks now. So you can obviously see the back, and it matches with the hood a lot nicer now that it's black. So I'm going to move to the back and do that side as well. And that is pretty much it. So I'll show you the full view here. So that's the back, and we have the front all done. So there's my front, looking nice, and the back piece as well. Now I'm going to attempt to do this piece right here. That is a wrap on this side. So we're going to do a direct comparison for you guys just to show you the difference. Direct comparison now. So we have one side that is still red right here, and then as you can see, this side is nice and black. So if you turn around the corner, you're going to realize that it looks a lot nicer with the way the car is currently sitting. So we have this one's black, that one's black, and then the front is black too. So definitely a nice little upgrade to the car, adds to the look of it. Okay guys, before I sign off, just wanted to go ahead and show you that they are still very functional, even when you do have them wrapped in darker film. So there's the back and the front there. So as you can see, the red, the yellow. The only one that won't be as functional is the red back here. I'm not sure how it's going to react to light hitting it, so we're going to give it a shot real quick. See if it reflects anything, and it most likely wouldn't. Maybe a little bit at nighttime, but obviously that's going to kind of hinder it having that black film on there. But in my opinion, it looks so much better that it's totally worth doing it. It just blends it in with that rear end a lot nicer. This one's a little quick video. Reason being is I just received this in the mail, so I wanted to unbox it real quick as I'm heading over to school right now to get some stuff taken care of. But pretty much today I'm going to be unboxing a vent mount for the car, because a lot of you guys have asked me lately what I use to hold my phone in place while I drive, especially after the Canyon Cruise video. So this is it right here. Ordered another one. This one's supposed to be a little better than the one I have right now, and I'm going to show you why. So obviously the magnetic mounts, the way it works is you have a like a backing plate that you stick in your phone. So this piece, you stick it in your phone case or whatever, you glue it on the back of it. It has some 3M adhesive on it, which is really neat. So the moment you stick it on the back of your phone, and this piece is a piece that it holds on to. So the cool thing about this one is, as you can see there, once I twist it, it actually locks in place on the vent. So once you twist it in place, it's secure, and then you can position the head of it. So we're gonna install it real quick in a minute. So see, the one I had on before, it didn't have an adjustable base. Like you just kind of slide it on, and it gets squished, like, you know, all kind of it just kind of gets squeezed in there. It doesn't really have anything to lock it in place. So I bought the new one because the new one actually, you can lock it on, and sometimes when I pull my phone off fast, this thing will come off. So I don't like that. So the way this works is you simply twist it on, and it's very, very convenient. So I'm just gonna give it a quick shot here, see how it works, so I can show you guys exactly what I'm talking about. You don't think Rush SRT is crazy. Alrighty guys, I'm gonna show you real quick how to go ahead and mount your phone holder here. And exactly where I have it done is right there. So I pretty much put it on the last vent, so that way it's nice and secure, it doesn't really move around. And then you just tighten everything up, and that's it. And the cool thing is that you can still get some air out of this vent, it doesn't completely block it. Your phone will sit right there, which is perfect. Like a very good viewing angle, you'll be able to see it. It's a little bit blocked by the steering wheel, but nothing too bad. Nothing that would be too worried about. I mean, you can kind of move it like that if you want to see a better view. But nice thing is, as soon as you remove it, it's nice and simple. So if you would like to get one for yourself, I'm going to go ahead and leave it in the link in the description. Pick one up. They're really, really useful, and definitely good for keeping your phone in place while you're driving on the canyons or wherever you need to be. So thanks for checking out this video. If you did enjoy it, make sure you leave a like. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. Rush SRT signing out. See you guys later. Peace.